Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have got Fortuner here who has came us for the upgrade. So we have installed the Woodman Hercules here, as you can see, and we have also installed two dash cams here. These are the Woodman 3K dash cams, and we have also installed a 360-degree camera, which I will be showing you in this video. Right. First up, let's just talk about the heart of the setup. It's the Woodman Hercules Android Stereo. This is one of the most powerful head units in the market, designed for premium SUVs like the Fortuner. Let's just talk about the features of this beautiful Woodman Hercules. So first of all, it's powered by an octa-core processor clocked at 1.8 GHz, making it super smooth and lag-free. It comes with an 4 GB DDR4 setup with the 64 GB of internal storage, so you can run multiple apps without any slowdowns. The QLED touchscreen display is just super crisp and responsive, making the navigation and media playback a pleasure. So it also supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for your devices to get connected and use it. The stereo has a 4G SIM support, meaning you can browse the internet, stream music, and use online navigation without any needling of the phone's hotspot. For those who loves music, it comes with a built-in DSP sound chip with 36 equalizer bands, giving you a complete control over audio settings. Plus, it also provides you with the OTA updates from Woodman itself, so you will be always updated with all the latest features of the car. Now, this also supports steering controls, as you can see here, with the volume controls, the up-down mode, everything that you can think of, it has it. With all these features, this Woodman Hercules is the perfect upgrade for any car looking for a smart infotainment system with a premium connectivity and sound quality. This has also built-in navigation with GPS and everything, so you have got maps, you have got YouTube, you can stream any of the videos that you like on the go. Plus, you have also got an Play Store here, so you can download and install any of the apps that you like to be installed on your Woodman Hercules. Now, this has also comes with an aux timing, so you can also plug in your aux and you can play music from there. If you want to play music from YouTube, Apple Music, Spotify, you have to download it from the Play Store. So that's it guys, with the Woodman Hercules Android Stereo, the 3K dash cam and the 360-degree camera system. This Toyota Fortuner is now smarter, safer, and more fun to drive. So yeah, that's it guys. I will catch you on the next one. Thank you.